Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 28th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla closed up $4.87, 1.72%. Closed at 287.81. Post-market, we are down by 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. The stock is bouncing pretty good on this support right here at 268.02, or let's say 268. So we are bouncing quite well, and we did not even reach 268 per se. We just bounced on it, so this is a bullish sign. We technically have here a higher low than we have right here. Not by much, mind you, but it's still there. We are still back into our upward channel, and we are still inside our congestion zone. So we have these two patterns that are still in play. We have a nice green candle right here. We came as low as we were yesterday. We came just a little bit higher. We have a longer wick at the bottom and a smaller wick at the top. We have this move up. The buyers are winning this round, I would say, a little bit. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so basically we had a head fake yesterday. Head fake yesterday with a good stochastic, so it was a legitimate buy signal. If ever there was one. Then we came back down, but not as low, and we tried again today. We had stochastic back on the last candle yesterday. 3:30 candle, we had stochastic back. And then the first hour we came down, but then we came back up. We had a strange VIX in the morning. Then second hour, we stopped here, so I drew this other resistance that I had not drawn yet, but basically this is the other side of the gap, because we had a gap right here on September 22nd. September 22nd, we had a gap, and between September 22nd and September 23rd, the day before, the day after, we had a gap. So I had done this support line on the higher portion of it, which was okay, because we stopped right there September 27th at 9:30. We stopped right there on that support right here. But also that other support line at the bottom of the gap was also used a few times. Here today. It was also used today. Then we caved back in for a couple of hours, but then we never lost stochastic, and we came back to the support and we launched. I like to see this. I like to see when a stock tries something, cannot do it, but we still have a good stochastic. So at any point, if you bought at any point here with a good stochastic, it was okay. It was just a little bit better if it broke a resistance, and I had told you that I would probably wait for 285.82 to be broken to come back in. But looking at what was happening in the morning and looking at this new resistance, I changed my mind and I said, no, I think I'm gonna buy when we cross this lower gap resistance at 284.24. So then I got in at that point when we broke it right here, and we had a pullback, and I suffered the pullback because it was just a small pullback. We still had stochastic over 60, and we were still above this big support right here. So I just kept my cool for 4 hours. And the way to keep your cool is to not look at the stock market. You just set an alert. If it breaks whatever support you want it to break, you put that alert there, and you don't look at the stock market. You do your thing, and then if it beeps, then you need to act. If it does not beep, hopefully you are not on mute, and then when you look at it, you have a surprise. Basically, we just launched and we broke this 284.24 and also the 285.46 at the same time. So nice green candle. This is nice to see. This is a nice impulse. Let's hope that for the rest of the week things are going to go back up. We are at 93 stochastic on the 1 hour chart, so this is pretty good. We have pretty much all of the other indicators on that 1 hour chart. Nice move. Let's hope that it continues. And I gotta say, it's hard to trade nowadays long on a stock when we have the VIX going super high, super fast, and we have recession looming and people talking about a crash and everything. So we are not trading in good times right now. If I think about August of last year, this was a good time. Things were going up constantly all the time. But here we had a big correction since the end of last November, a big correction down and everything. This is really testing us. And it's not the easiest of market that we are into. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic at 45, getting there. It's still not 60. But you know what I said also, we are in a congestion zone. If we wait until we have 60, it's going to be quite far. So I think in this case, it's okay, but it's more risky. But it's okay to get in a bit more on the 1 hour chart. RSI close to getting over 50. MACD is still bearish and DMI is still bearish. They are going to need time, and by the time we are getting them, we are also going to be close to the resistance. So yeah, so we should not rely too much on indicators for now. Stochastic, yes, I still like it more than the others, but we should not expect to have all green thumbs up. This is what I'm saying. Yeah, let's hope that Tesla is going to continue going up with the AI day and also the production numbers that might come out this weekend. And also, when is that going to happen? Okay, October 19th. This is quite far away. So at least my wish is that we somehow reach 314 towards the end of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.